Hi everyone, this video is going to be for swatches and my first impressions of the new Patrick Starrr collection. So many of you know that there was a first collection that was released previously. This is the second one, and this time what the collection consists of is 2 full face kits. So each of these face kits comes with 4 items. That's an eyeshadow quad, a lip gloss, a lipstick, and a duo blush powder. And each of the kits retails for $49.50. So I will show you both of the kits. I'll show you all the items in each of the kits. This is available through MAC Cosmetics currently, and I will put a link in the description box to where you can find it. As always, please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on videos and giveaways. This month's What's New in Beauty video will have a giveaway for some Profusion makeup, so make sure you go check that out if you want to win some free makeup. As always, also make sure you check the description box below for reviews at the website at allurabeauty.com if you want to see more detailed, in-depth reviews of what I think of these products after they're fully tested. A link to where you can purchase these items if you're interested from the Patrick Starrr collection, and a link to the blog sale. Alright, let's get looking into the 2 new full face kits from MAC and Patrick Starrr. Alright, let's start with the Me So Chic full face kit. This is what the box looks like for both of the kits. It's beautiful, what do you call that? Kaleidoscopic flower design on the front. And these are the 4 items that you get in the package. You can see again that beautiful floral design on everything and this pale baby pink color. I want to go ahead and start with the face powder duo. And this powder blush duo is called I'm Not Blushing. So the top shade is a pure peach with a satin finish. I'm going to add a second layer here to build it up, but really you don't need it. This is applying beautifully smooth over the skin. The bottom shade is Capri Bronze, and this has a matte finish. This applies pretty well too, but again I'm going to add a second layer to build it up. Alright, so applied with an angled powder brush. Those are your 2 shades from the I'm Not Blushing powder duo. Really pretty, seems very wearable. And just for reference, here are the same shades with heavy swatches. Alright, and that's what those look like up close. Let's next swatch the eyeshadow quad. This is called Stay With Me. Here are the shades up close. In terms of swatching, I will go top row left to right, and then bottom row left to right, as always over an eyeshadow primer. Alright, the first shade is Daddy Star, which is a muted baby pink with pearl, although it's a matte formula shade. Yes, which is a mid-toned dusty violet with a Velux pearl finish formula. Queen Patrick, and this is a bright medium purple, the Frost formula. It's not that shimmery though. And Bonne Nuit, which is a black purple with a matte finish. Okay, so there are your purple toned shades from the Stay With Me eyeshadow quad. Alright, and then we have the lip gloss and the lipstick from the Me So Chic kit. The lipstick is in the shade Sweet Master. And the lip gloss is called Master Kiss. Master Kiss is a sheer nude with pearl. And Sweet Master is a mid-tone neutral pink with an amplified formula. Alright, so there are those 2 shades up close, and of course you could pair them if you wanted to. So in the Me So Fleek full face kit, we'll start with the powder blush duo. This duo is called Take Me Home. So the top shade, Max says this is a soft coral pink. That's definitely not accurate. It's like a dusty mauvey rose. Applying a second layer here. The bottom shade is a muted pink plum with a matte finish. I'm again adding a second layer. These both have good pigmentation to them. Maybe not quite as silky as the shades in the other duo, but still pretty good. Alright, those are the two shades up close. They look a lot closer in color once they're applied to the skin than what they look like in the pan. And even though the top shade has shimmer in it, it doesn't look that much more shimmery than the matte shade actually. Maybe in sunlight you could see a greater difference. And again, for reference, here are some heavy swatches. Right, that's what the shades look like up close. Alright, next up we're going to swatch the eyeshadow quad. It's called Play With Me. Here are the shades, and once again, I'll go top row left to right, and bottom row left to right over primer. Alright, first up is In Living Pink. This is a pinky coral with gold shimmer with a frost formula. All's Rosy, which is a dirty mid-tone pink with a matte finish. Hickey is a bright pink with shimmer, and this has a frost formula. And last is In the Shadows, which is a vibrant dark blue with shimmer, also has a frost formula. Alright, so there are the four shades in that quad. Very good color on all of these, and they apply really smoothly too. Alright, and then again we have the lip gloss and the lipstick. The lipstick shade is called Hey Boy Hey. And the lip gloss is Queen P. Queen P is a neon pink with blue pearl. And Hey Boy Hey is a dirty pinkish plum with a matte finish. Alright, there is your lip gloss and your lipstick up close. Again, the colors would also pair very well together if you wanted to wear both of them. Alright, so there are the two new Patrick Starrr full face kits. I think it's a pretty good value as long as you are interested in all four of the items in each kit. Obviously you have one kit that is more nudes and neutrals, and then you have the other kit which is vibrant, bright springtime colors. The eyeshadow quads I think were very impressive. They had good formula to them, all the shades seemed to be creamy and apply pretty smoothly. I think the maybe least impressive was the last shade in the first quad, that deep matte purple shade, but all definitely still workable. I liked both powder blush duos also. I think even though the second one swatched a little less smoothly on the skin, once you apply it to the face where you have more oils and you will have probably applied, you know, foundation, a liquid or cream sort of foundation, it should go on a little more smoothly. And you can also use a fan brush to make it more even and to control the color, since those are deeper and more vibrant shades. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this collection. I do think that probably the one thing that people will want is to be able to buy the products individually, which at this point obviously is not an option. You do have to buy the full kit. You can't just, you know, buy one of the lipsticks if you wanted them, or just one of the powder blush duos if you wanted them separately. So I think that's kind of the biggest or the only downside to this collection that I can see personally. But let me know in the comment section below what you think, whether you've tried any of these or are interested in any one in particular. I hope this video was helpful to you if you were contemplating maybe buying something from the collection. And as always, thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video.